Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Nandito kami ngayon sa Christmas party ng mga Pinoy. Ito nga pala si Cathy guys.
Merry Christmas!
Para mapanood ng mga paano ba sinaselebrate ng mga Pinoy
Yes.
yung Pasko dito sa China.
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon?
Nandito po tayo sa China guys. Filipino teacher in China here.
We're here at the embassy.
Yes, we're here at the embassy.
Celebrate Christmas. Filipino style.
Eto guys, so yan.
Today, I'm going to present something about the new program of the Philippine Department of Tourism and the Department of Migrant Workers. It is called Balik Bayani. For our foreign
Holy Spirit, and her husband Joseph, being a just man and unwilling to put her to shame, resolved to divorce her quietly. But as he considered these things, behold, an angel of the Lord.
I remember, I'm gonna be late. So I started my car.
At kaibigan, our friends, also friends of the Philippines. Welcome. Role po ay ginagawa ng mga pamilya at mga kapitbahay bilang paghahanda sa Misa de Gallo. Ito ang nagsisilbing gabay tungo sa simbahan. Ang ating samang-samang pagpuputol, pagdidikit at paglalagay ng ilaw.
We'll just wait for everyone to arrive in front of the embassy so we can start.
Pasko na naman muli. Tanging araw na ating pinakabimiti.
Bilang ha, magka-countdown tayo from 10. Okay, simulan natin from 10 ha. Bilang ni isa, dalawa, tatlo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Maligayang Pasko po.
There you go guys. Kanina na. Guys, may lechon. Ayun. Ayun yung lechon. Sarap. Lechon guys. Here at the embassy. Ay, may prize na si Ate Ida. Go, go, go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. What? Oh! Yes.
Hi, it's hi.
I show me your tickets. I can
May mga palaro dito sa labas, guys. May popcorn.
Okay. You think what you say?
Oh, sorry. So, ayan na guys. So, nag-enjoy po talaga tayo sa mga Pinoy na kasama natin. So, first time kong sumali sa sa Christmas party ng mga Pinoy dito sa Beijing, and it was so much fun po. And that's it for now. See you on my next vlog.